If you're over 50 and you've been told that squats are the best exercise for building strong legs and glutes, it may be time to look at the bigger picture. There's no question that squats can be effective, but they're not always the best choice for everyone, especially as we get older. After 50, many people begin dealing with stiff hips, sensitive knees, lower back discomfort, or old injuries that never completely went away. And while deep squats work well for some, they can place significant stress on joints that may already be under strain. The good news is this: you do not need squats to build strong, healthy glutes. In fact, some exercises target the glutes more directly while placing far less pressure on your knees, hips, and lower back. And that's important, because strong glutes do much more than improve appearance. They help you stand up more easily, climb stairs with confidence, maintain balance, protect your lower back, and stay independent as you age. Today, I'm going to show you 5 glute exercises that are especially effective for adults over 50. They're joint-friendly, practical, and designed to build strength where it matters most. And be sure to stay until the end, because the final exercise is one of the most functional movements you can do for everyday life. Let's begin with number 1. Exercise number 1, Glute Bridge. The glute bridge is one of the most effective yet overlooked exercises for strengthening the glutes. At first glance, it looks simple. You lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips. But don't let that simplicity fool you. This movement directly targets the gluteus maximus, the largest muscle in your body and one of the most important for strength, stability, and mobility. To perform the exercise, lie comfortably on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor about hip-width apart. Press through your heels and slowly raise your hips toward the ceiling. At the top of the movement, squeeze your glutes firmly and hold for a second. Then, lower yourself back down slowly and under control. What makes this exercise particularly valuable for adults over 50 is the position in which it's performed. Because you're lying on the floor, there is very little stress placed on the spine, knees, or hips. That means you can challenge the muscles without placing unnecessary strain on the joints. Research has shown that glute bridges create high levels of glute activation because the glutes are placed in a position where they can contract forcefully at the top of the movement. Compared with exercises where multiple muscle groups share the workload, the glute bridge allows you to focus more directly on the glutes themselves. Strong glutes help support healthy posture, improve walking mechanics, reduce lower back stress, and contribute to better balance. Start with 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. Now, let's move to an exercise that takes the same movement pattern and makes it even more powerful. Exercise number 2, bench supported hip thrust. If the glute bridge is the foundation, exercise the hip thrust is the next step. The movement is very similar, but because your upper back is supported on a bench, your hips move through a larger range of motion. That extra range means the glutes work harder and stay under tension longer. To set up, sit on the floor with your upper back resting against a sturdy bench or platform. Plant your feet firmly on the ground, about hip-width apart. From this position, drive through your heels and lift your hips upward until your body forms a straight line from your shoulders to your knees. Pause at the top and squeeze your glutes. Then, lower yourself slowly and repeat. Keep your chin slightly tucked and avoid throwing your head backward. One reason this exercise is so effective is that it's easy to progress over time. You can begin with body weight, then add resistance bands, dumbbells, or other forms of resistance as your strength improves. This gradual increase in challenge is one of the key principles behind building muscle and maintaining strength as you age. Next, let's talk about an exercise that develops not only glute strength, but also balance and stability. Exercise number 3, single leg Romanian deadlift. The single leg Romanian deadlift is one of the best exercises for strengthening the entire backside of the body. It works the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back while also challenging balance and coordination. For adults over 50, that's a powerful combination. To perform the movement, stand on one foot. Keep a slight bend in the standing knee and maintain a long, neutral spine. As you hinge forward from the hips, allow your free leg to extend behind you. Lower your torso until you feel a stretch in the back of the working leg. Then press through your heel and return to a standing position by squeezing your glute. Move slowly and stay in control throughout the exercise. One of the greatest benefits of this movement is that it works one side of the body at a time. This helps identify and correct strength imbalances that often develop with age. Many people have one leg that is stronger than the other without realizing it. Over time, these imbalances can contribute to poor movement patterns and increased stress on the joints. The balance challenge is equally valuable. Maintaining stability on one leg requires constant communication between your muscles, joints, and nervous system. That makes this exercise beneficial not only for strength, but also for fall prevention and overall physical confidence. Now let's focus on a muscle that many people never train directly. Exercise number 4, lateral band walk. The lateral band walk may look easy, but it targets one of the most important muscles for lower body stability, the gluteus medius. This muscle sits on the outer side of the hip and plays a major role in stabilizing the pelvis while you walk. When it becomes weak, it can contribute to knee pain, hip discomfort, lower back problems, and poor balance. To perform the exercise, place a resistance band around your ankles or just above your knees. Stand with your feet about hip-width apart and bend your knees slightly. Keeping tension on the band, take a controlled step to one side. Then bring the opposite foot toward it without allowing the band to lose tension. Continue for several steps before reversing direction. Throughout the movement, keep your chest up, your hips stable, and your knees aligned with your toes. Avoid swaying from side to side. The goal is to keep the glutes working continuously. You will likely feel a burning sensation along the outside of your hips after just a few repetitions. That's a sign those muscles are being challenged. Strengthening the gluteus medius helps improve walking mechanics, reduces unnecessary stress on the joints, and supports better balance during daily activities. Now let's finish with one of the most practical exercises on this list. Exercise number 5. Step up with glute squeeze. The step up is one of the most functional lower body exercises you can perform. Why? Because it mimics movements you use every single day. Whether you're climbing stairs, stepping onto a curb, or getting into a vehicle, you're performing a version of this movement. To begin, stand in front of a sturdy step or platform. Start with a lower height if you're new to the exercise. Place one foot completely on the step. Press through the heel of that foot and lift yourself upward. As you reach the top position, stand tall and squeeze the glute of the working leg for 1 to 2 seconds. Then, lower yourself back down slowly and with control. Repeat before switching sides. That pause and squeeze at the top is what makes this exercise especially effective for glute development. Many people rely on momentum when stepping up. By slowing down and intentionally contracting the glute, you increase muscle activation and get more benefit from every repetition. The step up also improves balance, coordination, and single leg strength, all of which become increasingly important as we age. Let's quickly recap. The glute bridge helps activate and strengthen the glutes with minimal joint stress. The hip thrust increases the challenge and promotes greater strength development. The single leg Romanian deadlift builds balance and corrects side-to-side imbalances. The lateral band walk strengthens the gluteus medius and improves stability. And the step-up develops real-world strength that transfers directly into daily life. Together, these 5 exercises create a powerful lower body routine that supports strength, mobility, balance, and independence after 50. Remember, the goal isn't to force your body into exercises that cause discomfort. The goal is to choose movements that help you stay strong while respecting your joints. Which of these 5 exercises are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more science-based tips designed to help you stay active, strong, and independent for years to come. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.